Hey there, health warriors. Today, we're diving deep into one of nature's most powerful little fruits, the lemon. Sure, it's sour, but it's also a secret weapon for your health if you know how to use it the right way. How to prepare a lemon for the maximum benefits of the body. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prepare a lemon to boost your immune system, detox your body, improve digestion, support glowing skin, and so much more. Part 1. Why lemon is so powerful. Let's start with the why. Why is lemon such a big deal for our health? First, rich in vitamin C. Second, alkalizing effect on the body. Third, boosts liver function. Fourth, supports digestion. Fifth, antioxidants galore. Sixth, antibacterial and antiviral properties. But here's the kicker. Most people don't get the maximum benefit because they're preparing it wrong or leaving out the most important parts. Part 2. Lemon components. What's actually beneficial? Let's break down the parts of the lemon and what they do for your body. Lemon juice, vitamin C, antioxidants, hydration boost. Lemon zest, peel, packed with citrus bioflavonoids, essential oils, and more antioxidants. Lemon seeds, antimicrobial properties, can be consumed in small amounts. Pith, white part under peel, rich in fiber and antioxidants. Part 3. Best ways to prepare lemon. 1. Lemon water, the right way. Let's start simple. Lemon water is a staple, but are you doing it right? Instructions. Use warm, not boiling water to preserve vitamin C. Add juice of half a lemon. Optional. Add a bit of zest for bonus antioxidants. Drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. 2. Lemon detox elixir. This one's a game changer for detox and digestion. Recipe. Juice of 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon raw honey. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Warm water. Optional. Apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon. This combo kickstarts digestion and helps flush toxins from your liver. 3. Lemon-infused oils and dressings. Let's talk food. Adding lemon to meals is one of the easiest ways to reap the benefits. Ideas. Lemon zest and salad dressings. Lemon juice in olive oil-based marinades. Preserved lemons in Middle Eastern dishes. The acidity actually helps your body absorb iron from plant-based foods too. 4. Lemon ginger tea. Ingredients. Juice of 1/2 lemon. Fresh grated ginger. Hot, not boiling water. Optional, Manuka honey. Benefits. Anti-inflammatory. Immune boosting. Suits digestion. 5. Frozen lemon cubes. Don't waste leftover lemon. Here's a prep hack. Steps. Slice whole lemons, peel and all. Blend them into a puree. Freeze in ice cube trays. Add to smoothies, water, teas. Benefits. You get the whole fruit benefits. Zest, juice, pith, everything. Part 4. When and how often to take lemon. So you've got your lemon prepared, but how often should you consume it? Guidelines. Daily lemon water in the morning. Add lemon to meals throughout the day. Don't overdo it. Too much lemon can erode enamel. Drink with a straw if needed. Moderation is key. And always listen to your body. Part 5. Who should be cautious? Lemon is amazing, but not for everyone. Who should be cautious? People with citrus allergies. Those with acid reflux or ulcers. People with sensitive teeth. Tip. Rinse mouth after drinking lemon water or use a straw to protect teeth. The important point is, lemon is acidic outside the body, but alkalizing after digestion. So there you have it. From zesting to juicing. Try these tips and share your creations below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more health hacks.